Hello and welcome. This demonstration provides instructions for backing up and restoring EC2 instances using Wayne Cloud's disaster recovery solutions. First, you can see that our demo source instance has two volumes attached. One is the primary volume, and the other is the secondary volume. There are different steps to take the backup. Log into VPC Plus and follow these steps. Step 1. Navigate to the Disaster Recovery section in the navigation bar and select AWS Cloud. Step 2. Go to the EC2 Instances tab to take the backup of your EC2 instance. Step 3. Select the cloud account and region from the drop-down. Step 4. Click on the Create Backup button. Step 5. Provide a name for the backup and an optional description. By default, we will create a backup of the primary volume only, but if you want, you can also choose the secondary volumes along with the primary volume. Step 6. Click the Backup button to initiate the backup. Once the backup is complete, you can go to the Backups tab to view your backup plan. For restoration, click on Restore. Provide the name of the target instance and select the instance type. The AMI will be selected by default, which is the backup image of your source instance. Provide additional configurations such as VPC, subnet, shutdown behavior, SSH keys, etc. Select the network interface or create a new one. Select the SSH key to access the target instance. Provide tags if necessary, and click the Restore button to initiate the restoration process. After fulfill the form, it will create the new target server. As you can see, the new instance has been initialized in the AWS console. You can also see that both the source and target instances have two volumes attached. That's all for this demonstration. For further assistance or queries, feel free to contact us. Thank you.